Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add custom font to DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. First, go to a font website like dafont.com. Over here, browse or search for a font you like. After that, download a font that is marked 100% free or suitable for commercial use. Then, save the file to your computer. Next, open the downloaded zip file and locate the font file inside, usually ATTF or ORF file. Right-click on the font and click Open, then click Install to add it to your system. After that, open DaVinci Resolve. Over here, go to the Effects panel, click on Titles and choose Text. Then add the text to your timeline and go to the Inspector panel. In the inspector, find the font family dropdown. Scroll to the font name you installed like Super Jungle. If it's not showing up, close and restart DaVinci Resolve. After reopening, the font should appear and you can now apply it to your text. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.